So yeah, we're back at it again. We really haven't had time to make any videos lately, just been too busy with the family and all the work and all that. So we got ourselves a busy week ahead of us, and actually weekend. As you can see, the CRX ain't here. It's on the side of the house. I'll go show you in a little bit. We're working on this BMW M4 for Dre, one of the good friends. Came all the way from Linwood to have me work on it. It's a badass machine right here. It's a beast. So we're gonna be spraying the hood. This is a tri-stage paint. Anybody that knows that, it ain't that easy, and it ain't that difficult either if you got experience. So we're gonna be spraying the hood, blending it out from the bumper to the fender to get a good color match. You know, a car like this deserves a really nice color match. It just would look funky if it was all discolored and all that. What's up, Gunzo? You always follow me. You always follow me, Gunzo. What's up? Yeah, it's a nice M4. But anybody else watching, I'm sure you guys see the air back there. It's dirty, nasty, and it stank too. Yeah, running out of room. You know, working at the house, so because the CRX is gonna be sitting back here for a little bit. My EF9 back there, the infamous candy painted EF back in the days. Some call it a legend. It's nice, but it ain't a legend. It's kind of cool though. When time comes, we are gonna resurrect that and bring it back to life and show this import scene what's up, you know? The most cool guys can bring it back to. So yeah, let's get started with all these links. We're gonna measure 2.5 in the middle, but right now I'm gonna throw it onto a time lapse, you know, just a little tedious, boring stuff. So let's get that going. So yeah, now we got everything measured. Just throw it in here in the bandsaw. I got this really nice jet bandsaw that I had for quite a while now. So yep, we just place it in the vise. Everything's all precisely masked and measured, and we are going to give it a go. So let's get at that. Now that those are all chopped off, and we got to get all this cutting oil cleaned off of these pieces, because welding, that's contamination and that's a no-no. So but most likely we're going to use acetone, because that's usually the best cleaner for trying to pre-prep for welds, especially TIG welding on aluminum. So let's get at that. So the reason why I'm cleaning all these with acetone is because TIG welding aluminum is very sensitive to contamination. So extreme prep, clean it like freaking 5 times, just to make sure when you weld, nothing comes up in a pool or smokes up on you. I'm not a professional welder, but I got a couple friends that I actually look up to, and they're freaking really great. Learn from them. I've been welding for a while though, but just not consistent, because I'm consistent with painting and doing custom body work and all that. Just letting you guys know a little bit about myself, you know. So yeah, after we get this all cleaned up, I am going to see how thick these are. You can't just weld them like this and weld them. It don't work that way. It's too thick. You gotta bevel it. I'm going to show you that process in a second. You gotta bevel it, both each end, and then weld them together for good penetration. So I'll show you that. It might be confusing, so stick with me, alright? Just spraying some canned acetone. Get this cleaned up. Oh, look who showed up. Say what's up, little Vinny. Say what's up. Alright, see how it is? Come over here and bug day so I can't get nothing done, alright? Yeah, kids always run here in the garage. What's up, Aaron? You wanna say what's up to the camera?
What's up?
What's up? How's school?
Good.
Good? What you doing over here in the garage then? Okay. Yeah, I was over here harassing me. So we ran into a problem. I was getting ready to bevel these, kind of tapered in like a little sharp as a pencil. My stupid belt sander started tripping out. So I gotta do this with a small little belt sander. So it's gonna take a little while. Sucks, but it happens. So now we all done with that cutting and beveling and cleaning and prepping and, you know, more prep. So I made this little small quick jig just to keep it in line and straight. So when I weld it stays in place. It's simple, but it does its job, you know. So it just keeps it exactly straight. So I'm gonna get ready to TIG weld and tack them in place and spin them around and rotate the yellow spot, you know. So yeah, we're gonna get ready to start welding. It's about time. I hate the prep process, it takes forever. So the machine I'll be using is this Everlast 250 EX AC DC. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's really nice, real expensive too, but best bang for your buck. So let's get to it, man. And for the aluminum, I like to weld with number 7. It's with the CK Worldwide gas lens. A little nice one. Never failed me. It's always been good to me, so I stick with that brand, CK Worldwide. Get started. Want it on AC for aluminum, alternate current. Settings, I'm gonna do frequency about maybe 125. And the balance, I'm gonna try to keep it low as possible, cleaning action. Remember, always clean, especially aluminum, stainless, titanium. Clean the rods. Look at all that black oil from the manufacturer. So this helps out big time. Cleaning up everything, prep is the key to everything in life. Now it's all done, it's cooled down. It ain't that pretty, but it's got good penetration and it's solid. It ain't gonna break or snap. So we're good to go. Put them back together, let the customer come pick it up, and he could probably paint these. All right, let's get him back.